Okay guys, you may have seen the video where I cleaned the EGV valve previously. Well, that didn't work. I was going to take it off and spray it with some carb cleaner to clean it better because I used engine degreaser, but I broke it. So I ended up having to buy a new one. Y'all may know I like shopping online. I'm a big fan of Amazon, except when it comes to auto parts and clothes. I can't get clothes to fit. I can't find the right auto parts. So I reached out to StockwiseAuto.com and well, first off, I didn't reach out to them. I ordered this online and I thought I was ordering the correct EGV. Wasn't. This is for a V8. It does fit, it will work, but you're really going to stretch this line right here and it's not going to plug back into your intake manifold or be held by your intake manifold. So reached out to them. I talked to Tony and they were very nice. Got me the correct one. This is the V6, not the V8, and no problems at all. So if you missed that last one, I'll go over a quick uninstall, reinstall the new EGV, and of course it did fix the engine light problem. So the V8 one works just fine if you can't find the V6 one. Okay, so I already have everything pretty much loose on this, and so you just pull out these vacuum. This wire just comes out here, and you have a 10mm bolt, and I use a crescent wrench on this pipe right here. So let's go ahead and zip this off. And you'll see right here, this is the V8 one, so it's twisted a little bit and needs to turn. You can't turn it, so don't even try. And it's off. Of course, you drop the little gasket. This is a standard EG manufactured by Standard. I'm just going to use the valve. I'm going to reuse the little gasket I had and the bolts. You'll see this one when I put it on, it's faced this way. So let's go ahead and attach our bolts. Okay. So I slid the bolts in with the gasket on it, and just going to take the extension, because it's a little close for my fingers, and run it up. You don't want to use a ratchet to tighten these up or to start, because you can really damage the threads. And then you're going to have to re-tap all your threads and maybe get new bolts, and a lot of fun. And plus it's just so much easier to turn with your fingertips while it's this loose. Get this started. What are you doing? Okay, now take my wrench and tighten them up. These are going into aluminum, so you don't have to really put a lot of torque on them, because you can strip off them threads. So you don't need a 4-foot breaker bar. Okay, and when you're tightening this up with the wrench, be careful with this. I broke this off last time. Look in here. And this is not my preferred tool for tightening these. I'd rather have a wrench, but I don't have one this size. Good and tight. Check these one more time. It's tight. Tight. And then put your little wire connector back on. Look good, huh? Works too.
Sounds pretty.
Is it pretty?
There's bugs.
So, got this installed. Did crank up the car. Of course, it started. Going to have to take it for a drive for about 30 minutes to make sure the engine light stays off. But it is off. If you want to know how to reset the engine light, you just pull the battery, the power from the car. Bella?
Enough. You're gonna go inside.
So you just pull the battery cable or remove the power from the car. I do the negative battery cable, and that will reset your light if you leave it off for about 10 minutes. If you're looking for great parts, you know, a large selection and easy to find, check out StockWiseAuto.com. That's where I bought this. And like I said, Amazon is just so hard to find the right part to fit your need because they're not very descriptive. And this is. And it even tells you if it fits your car or not. Just like clothes. I got some clothes, or Danielle you bought some clothes for me from China?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was X large. And
Child size, but it did not say that.
it was X large and it fit me like a glove. Literally. Really tight glove.
It was hilarious. I have a picture.
So if you're looking for great recipes, good food, she's been working on one every Wednesday is release date. Some yummy meals come out every week. So
Well, we think so. Tell us your advice.
yeah, leave feedback on the website. And if you think I was doing this wrong or I could have done something better, leave feedback down below. I'd like to hear it because you know, I'm a shade tree mechanic. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It's right down there. Looks like this. If you like our channel, subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell for the little reminders.
Right.
And y'all please take care.